In this video, I'm going to explain how to upload city data on a depository such as morphosource.org. To start, you need to create an account using an email address. Then you need to send an email to Morphosource team and mention the email address which your account is created with. You also need to mention the type and size of your data. Then you will receive a file containing terms of use and need to sign that file. After that, the status of your account changes from user to contributor. Now you can go to your dashboard and will be able to create new project and upload the media. Click on New Project and write a name and short description about the project. You can choose the visibility of your data or whether it's public or private. Here you click on Upload New and choose the type of the media and also choose the modality which was used. Then choose if your data is raw or derived. In my case, the data were reconstructed, so we'll choose derived. If you have already uploaded the relevant data, for example the raw data of that specimen, you can search for the parent ID. In my case, parent not available. Then you can select if the type of the object is biological specimen or cultural heritage. Here you can add further information such as institution code, catalog number, genus and species to search, or you can choose new specimen. Here you should choose where the physical object is managed. If you cannot find the collection, department or lab, you should contact Morphosource administrators to create a new organization record. In my case, I already contacted and provided the required information, such as the name, collection code, website, address, and contact name. They will help you what information is required. Here you can search for the taxonomy of your specimen. If not found, you can create custom taxonomy. This page is optional, but you can add creator, date created, and so on, or leave blank and continue. Now you can complete the information about the device you use to image the media. In my case, University of Ghent, UT City, and then Hector as the device. Here you can add further information regarding the media, but you can skip this page also and continue. Now it's time to upload the files. They should be in zip format. Here you need to add X, Y, and Z pixel size and then the unit. Finally submit the media. It's done. For the current project, you can add further media. To edit each media, you can go to Dashboard, Project, and click on each record to edit. Each project has an ID to report. In case of any question, you can contact Morphosource team. Good luck with uploading. Thank you for your attention.